adjust video screen and handset. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. Make sure you follow all signs and cabin crew instructions at all times. Enjoy your flight. Disabled passengers may refer to the specially designed safety videos within the in-flight entertainment system, or simply get in touch with the flight attendants